guys, I am back with another interesting story for you guys. Are you all ready for it? In today's story, we have a poor man who has just started a small business of a tea shop. He usually sells some tea, biscuits, and coffee in his shop. Suddenly, one day, none of the customers turned to his shop right from the morning to the night. It was almost around 8:30 in the night, and the owner really got worried that none of the customers returned to the shop. He just don't have any idea what to do, and he thought, if it continues, then I am planning to close my business because I can't survive anymore. By the time the shopkeeper wrapping up everything, the old man entered into the tea shop. When the old man entered into the shop, he just asked him, "Do you have anything to eat? Because I am so hungry." The shopkeeper was really so happy and he just asked him to come in. The old man replied, "I don't have any money and I am not eaten for the past 2 to 3 days, sir." But the shopkeeper told him, "It's okay, sir, please come in and have some tea and biscuits." And then the tea shopper asked him, "Where do you live, sir, and what do you do?" The old man replied, "I am a traveler and I love to travel from place to place." Now the shopkeeper asked him, "Where do you live tonight? Do you have any hotels or do you have any place to stay?" The old man replied, "No, not really. I don't have any place to stay." The shopkeeper told him, "If you don't mind, you can stay in my place. It's right near the shop." The old man accepted his offer and went to his place, and he really took a good care of the old man. He just offered his bed to the old man and he slept on the floor. And the next day morning, as soon as they both woke up, the old man was getting ready to get away from there. And then the old man told him, "Thank you for your kindness." And then he told him, "I'm an artist, so I can draw a beautiful painting for your shop so that your business will get improved." And the shopkeeper was really happy and he told him, "Your pleasure, sir, please do something." And then the old man drew an excellent painting of a courtroom and the dancer in a courtroom. The shopkeeper was really so excited and he loved the painting. But he was still surprised and asked the old man, "Why do you draw this painting, sir?" "Because I am not running a dance class. So I thought you will draw some tea, biscuits, images, but you have drawn a picture of a dancer. Will that be helpful for my business?" The old man replied, "This is not just a simple painting. This was a magical painting. If 3 or more people clap together 3 times, the dancer who was in the painting will come in front of you and will make an incredible and gorgeous dance in front of you." That was the beauty of this painting. But the old man told him there was only one condition. What was the condition was? He told, "If you clap for only one particular person, then the painting will turn into black and white and the dancer in the painting will die." And then the artist left the place. Soon after 2 to 3 days, suddenly 5 members at a time came to the tea shop, and the tea shopper was eagerly waiting to test the painting. He just asked all the 5 people to clap together 3 times and check whether the dancer will come or not. Suddenly, as soon as they clapped, the gorgeous and beautiful dancer came in front of them and danced very beautifully. And they all got surprised. Soon after, the news has been spread to everywhere in the place, and it also reached the kingdom, and the king was so surprised to see the dancer. He just ordered his ministers and all the servants in the kingdom, and he took him to the tea shop. They all entered into the tea shop, and now the king told, "You all just leave the place. It's my time to enjoy." And then they all left the place, and the king asked the tea shop owner what is happening here. The tea shop owner explained all these things, and then the king got really excited and he really wanted to look at the dancer. He gave a bag full of gold coins to the tea shopper. Now the tea shopper was really got excited and happy after looking at the gold coins, and the king asked him to clap for him. And the tea shopper, who was very greedy on looking at the gold coins, forgot the rule what the painter was told, and he just clapped for the king. When he clapped 3 times for the king, the dancer came for 10 seconds, and then the painting was turned into black and white, and the dancer was died. As soon as the dancer was died and the painting turned into black and white, the king really got angry, and he told him this was the worst dance I have ever seen, and he just shouted at the tea shop owner, "Give back all the gold coins what I gave it to you." And he just left the place with that. Do you all love this story? Can you all guess what is the moral of the story? We have some cute little morals in this story, such as we should not be greedy on looking at some gold coins or anything else, and then we should always have an attitude of helpful mind. Apart from this, we really have an important life lesson from this story. That is, we should always show our true talents to anyone or to more people in the world. We should always be expressive to show our true talents to many people in the world.